And then today I'm going to be putting up a wall there because the walls aren't actually 2x4 walls. They're just 1x with siding on the outside of that. And then right here is going to go his refrigerator. So got to make a opening for the refrigerator. And then make some kind of post here because he wants to put a beam all the way across here. So I need a post here. This wall inside here took me 4 hours to do. It's crazy. $50. Hope y'all have a good one. Appreciate y'all. So we're gonna work on sheetrock now on this wall. And then I need a drill. Run the electrical wire down for the outlet for the electrical wire down for the outlet for the refrigerator. Then I'm gonna start sheetrocking it. Am I good or what? No. I don't do a lot of sheetrock, but just got a little bit more mud over here. But it's better than doing the whole thing of it. That's why I put a little small piece in there. It's a lot of work I put into this damn wall. Hope y'all go and appreciate y'all. Thought I'd have it all done and at least have a coat of mud on it. But forgot about these. This one's gonna have another one on top of here. This is just for because we're gonna walk all the way across, which I didn't know about. So can't finish that right now. But I got that corner bead on there. Tomorrow, just come in and tape and do the first part of the mud. Now gotta go fix my car and go pick up dog crap. Hope you had a good one. Appreciate y'all. Got the first coat on. Now it actually kind of looks like a wall. Just a bunch of sheetrock thrown up there. I had to float that whole wall because it's only like 8 inches wide. And then I thought they probably are better as far as you can hit them and you don't dent them. But you got to put nails like every 3 or 4 inches, especially when your corners are off. Used almost a whole box of mud on this wall. That wasn't fun either. A lot of mud up there. At least we got it done. Appreciate y'all. So I've been working on this wall with mud and taping. I think this is like the 5th day. Did that yesterday. Finished rocking both sides of that wall. And put mud on this for the second time yesterday. Today I got in here, put the sheetrock up, do the first coat of mud, and every time I do it, doesn't seem like I ever get any faster. Got a fan on it, hopefully it dries pretty quick. Got to do the texturing on it. I hope you have a good one. Appreciate y'all. Fun.
So much fun. I'm almost done. With my heavy lift, I thought that day. I see.
Never seems to block it off on my nose. Like I said, I got a big old nose. Try tightening it up. Let that dust settle some and then do the skim coat or do a. Hopefully after that it'll be ready for texture. Appreciate y'all. Got it all sanded. That's what I began with. And then marked where I needed to do skim coats. I guess that might need a little bit more right there. It's not smoothed down fine because it's going to get textured anyways. So, because that's one of the good things about texturing. But I'm going to let it dry. I used all 20-minute mud for the skim coat. I think once it dries, it'll be ready for the texture. Might just have to run a knife through them to get any big pieces off. I don't think I may do some hand sanding if I need to. And my compressor for the hopper to do the texturing is at my other job, but it's only like half a mile from here. So I'm gonna go over there. I gotta frame up a closet, and then I can come back. And I want to get at least this all done, where I don't have to sand anymore. Then I'll have to take all the plastic down, clean everything, get all the stuff off the countertop. The epoxy comes in tomorrow, so I'm gonna do a seal coat to begin with, and then I'm thinking that won't be so bad, so I may not even put plastic up till after. I guess it doesn't matter when I put it up, but I'll do the seal coat. Then I'll just come out here in the afternoons because I got AC in here, and then go out to the other one in the morning when it's cooler. Yeah, I don't think it looks that bad, even though it's not completely even. That's what I said, it's the beauty of it. If you're doing a texture, this is sanded pretty good. Some of them are just, this one kind of, just a couple of bad spots. Oh yeah, I also wanted to sand off the pencil marks. I'll go ahead and do that. It looks like it's dried enough. I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Appreciate y'all. And sand it with 220 and then come in and do the flood coat. I'll do the flood coat, and that's going to take a lot of sanding. I got to get it up to 3,000 and then polish it. So it's going to be a lot of cleaning. For right now, I just got to finish this. I'm going to go, like I said, I'm going to go to the other, I'll show it to you in a minute, go to the other remodel and cut all the stuff and nail everything for the closets to walls, and then bring the compressor back to do the texture. See you in a minute. Appreciate y'all. So I'm back to my first remodel. When I had bought the compressor, over there I only had 2 extension cords, one long enough, or I had to use both of them to reach the room, and I had to unplug it to get the light off, and then do the saw. I got tired of doing that, so I had to come back over here. It's way cooler in here. It's hot outside right now. sweating just from walking out. So I used a 20-minute 20-minute mud to skim coat. It doesn't look very good. I might do a quick sand. I'm gonna go through with a knife. But anyways, it's been about at least 2 hours. That's still all wet. It's 20-minute mud. It only gives you like a 5-minute work time, but still takes 50 hours to dry. Tell me what's going on with that. But I should have done this a long time ago. I'm gonna put plastic down because if I spray the texture, I'm pretty sure something will get all over the floor. I already have enough to clean, so I swept around and I'm just getting some of this clumps up. Just gonna tape it to the wall because it probably won't stick to the floor, and then test out this hopper. Get you back on when something exciting happens. Let us spray. The compressor can't handle it because I don't know if it's supposed to be spraying all the time. It's a lot of air at the time, and it's just a small pancake. I think that's it. But either ways, a lot of mud. I should have taped the damn roof. Now I gotta clean it before it dries. Let me get on that ASAP. It's hard to see, but it's just small clumps. It's real good right here. You actually gotta fill the whole wall and then start getting the bigger bumps like that. So I think it's too late to start. It's going to take a lot more mud than I thought it would need. I have to tape that up real good. I already got some on the cabinet. And I think that's it on that. Still got to wait for this to dry. I guess I don't. But it does need to get sanded again, at least, and sanding it. Especially the corners, they're still all wet. I think I'm going to call it for today. I'm going ahead and cleaning it. But the overspray from yesterday seems to be coming off pretty good. So I don't have to get it all completely off today or right now. It's going to take a lot. I'll just see if I can sand it off, let it dry. So see if I can just sand it off, let it dry and sand it off. But there's a lot of grooves to go through. There's going to be a lot of paper towels. Let us spray. Got this cleaned up. Doing it on the ceiling, I think, made it look better. Looks like a completely different room. Hope you have a good one. Appreciate you.